Well, let's even talk about HVAC, because this room is, you know, when you have this many 1,000-watt HPS lights, I mean, you got to be very mindful with HVAC loads, airflow, you know, hotspots, things like that. So tell me a little bit about how you guys handle HVAC and airflow.
This room has basically 3 units that are controlling the air. We use the Patterson 26-inch fans. You know, I love those things just because they're on a VFD, right? And we're able to really dial in the canopy, you know, airflow.
And by the way, VFD, you know, for those people who don't know.
Variable frequency drive. So all it means is that you can control the speed of the fans by a 0 to 10 volts, like, you know, controls. You know, they work great for us. There's 4 26-inch fans in here and then 2 18-inch. They're all connected to the same VFD that's controlled by Growling. So I can control, you know, set a set point at night or set a set point at daytime. You know, and really our strategy is to get, you know, a good flow in the room, and you can feel it when it's happening. You know, you'll be in the middle of the canopy and you can kind of feel it moving around you, or you can be on the edges and you can feel it. Working with the folks down at Patterson has been great. They have a specific cannabis division that will create airflow design layouts to help you dial in the ideal location for each fan in your rooms.